healing through every step and bite.
I'm a global food chef. I want to introduce K-food to people around the world. I want to travel the world and enjoy local cuisine. I also want to cook Korean food, introduce it, and share the joy with others while traveling. My dream is to have a wonderful trip. I hope my dreams come true.
The best way to heal your life is through delicious food and mindful travel. Every journey.
These avocados look incredible.
They are the best of the season. Picked just this morning.
I'll take a dozen.
These are from the mountains nearby, picked just yesterday. The flavor is unmatched.
You won't better snapper anywhere else, guaranteed.
Every journey begins with a single bite, and every meal tells a story. I travel the world, discovering local flavors and sharing the beauty of Korean cuisine. Food transcends borders and connects hearts. It's pure happiness on a plate, every step I take.
This bulgogi is marinated for 24 hours in a special pear sauce. Please enjoy.
Absolutely delicious, chef. Cheers, everyone.
Everything is delicious, chef.
Look at that. They are doing so well with the chopstick.
That's wonderful. Good job, you two.
Every meal I enjoy makes me a healthier and happier person. Eat well, travel healthily, and live fully. Happiness begins with each meal, each step.